This classic and hearty spinach salad can be a main dish or a side dish. Its delicious tangy-sweet dressing can be served warm or at room temperature. This recipe serves 4. You can always double the ingredients if you're serving more people. Spinach, bacon, hard-boiled eggs, and sliced mushrooms are the staple ingredients for this salad. Optional add-ins are thin red onion slices and grated or sliced Pecorino Romano cheese. Mix your ingredients for the delicious tangy-sweet dressing in a jar or a small saucepan if you're going to heat it. Be sure to heat it over medium-low heat so the sugars don't burn. Then I like to add a small amount of dressing to the spinach, toss it, then add the other ingredients, and allow everyone to add their own additional dressing according to preference. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below and be sure to check out my playlist for healthy, delicious main dishes, side dishes, desserts, and so much more.